What's up? What's happening? What's poppin'? Welcome back. So I want to come and show y'all how I trim my own hair at home. I only trim my hair when I notice a lot of split ends, fairy knots, which are just those really tiny knots that you can't get out, like a fairy tied them, and also when I notice my hair is shedding excessively. So this helps to get my hair healthier and rid of my heat damage quicker. So my hair is freshly washed, and I am just going to go ahead and section my hair into 2 sections, and then I will begin to work in smaller sections. Okay, so first I am taking my spray bottle and damping my hair just a little bit, just to get it wet. My hair is freshly washed, but it did dry up a little bit, so I am using some water. And then you want to make sure that your hair is detangled. You want to make sure that there are no knots or any tangles in your hair before you begin to cut. Okay, so as I'm detangling my hair, you will see how stringy it is and just how much damage it is towards the front than it is the back. So that's what I want to get rid of. Not all of it, because I ain't trying to be bald, but just get rid of most of it, maybe like an inch or two. But I do like to deep condition my hair while I am trimming it. So I will be using the Miche Strengthening Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. And yeah, this deep conditioner smells so good. The whole line smells good, but this deep conditioner smells good. So I am just going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner to my hair. And if you don't want to deep condition your hair while you do this, you can definitely use just regular conditioner. Okay, so I am just going to go ahead and split that section into 2 parts because I want to work more on my not so damaged part of my hair versus the damaged part, just because those are just 2 different textures, and I would just want to work on one texture at a time. So that's what I'm doing now. And so I am just going to go ahead and take my hair scissors. You want to make sure they are sharp scissors, okay? Not dull scissors. Any dull scissors that you use on your hair can and will cause more damage to your ends. It will cause split ends, y'all, so don't do it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors and just trim my ends. I like to spot trim, so any stringy part that I see, any damage that I see at the ends, I just cut those off. And then I will just go ahead and twist my hair up in just a 2-strand twist, because then I can really see where my hair needs to be cut. It just allows me to see where my hair is like curly and where it isn't at the end, and you'll see right now. So you can see how there's like a curl at the end, but then it's a little straight. At that straight part is where I would cut. Okay, and then I'll just show you guys again. I will just damp my hair with some water, go in with my deep conditioner, make sure my hair is detangled, of course, and then I would take my scissors and cut off any stringy ends I see or damaged ends. Then I'll twist it up, and then just at the end I'll just cut more off that I see that is damaged. And then here you can see just how my curls at the ends are formed and look way more healthier. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, the front of my hair needs a couple more pep talks before it gets into formation with the rest of my hair. But I do go ahead and cut off a little bit more hair in the front than I did in the back, just because it is my most damaged part of my hair. So I want to say I did cut off about maybe 2.5 inches. Yeah, I'm not good with these inches, but I think I'm cut off about like 2.5 inches from the front versus the back. It was like 1/2 inch to 1 inch. But this is how much hair I did cut off. It's not that much hair. I cut off about this same amount every few months. I do trim my hair about every 3 to 4 months, just depending on how my hair is looking and feeling. But this is how the ends of my hair is looking. It's looking a lot more healthier and curlier. Yeah, I am so excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe before you go, and I'll see y'all later.